Hey guys, how are you all? ZTE's Nubia brand will launch its upcoming flagship Z20 smartphone in China on 9th of August 2019. Now the Z20 phone with the model number Nubia NX627J has been spotted on the Chinese regulatory website TENA. The Nubia Z20 will be a successor for the Nubia Z18 smartphone which was launched last year. Interestingly, Nubia has skipped the Z19 moniker this year. The Z20 has a front OLED display of 6.42 inch that supports Full HD Plus resolution with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. The rear side of the phone features a 5.1 inch OLED display that supports the same resolution and aspect ratio. The smartphone will be powered by an octa-core processor that clocks at a speed of 2.95 GHz, which suggests that it could be equipped with the latest Snapdragon 855 Plus. The listing shows that the Nubia phone will have an 6GB, 8GB and 12GB RAM variants with an internal storage of 64GB, 128GB, 256GB and 512GB. There will be no support of external storage on the device. The smartphone will feature a triple rear camera setup with a 48 megapixel primary sensor which is expected to be Sony IMX586 sensor, although the listing revealed a 16 megapixel front camera for the device. As per the earlier report, the device would not have a front facing camera. It runs an Android 9 Pie operating system and the battery capacity is listed as 4000 mAh with a fast charging and reverse charging support. So we have to wait till August 9 to see that how Nubia Z20 will perform, so which will be a flagship from Nubia. Nubia Z20 will be the finest and the best flagship of 2019. So this is all about the Nubia Z20. Hope you like the video. If you want to comment anything, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.